Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com. First, let's look at the US markets. On Friday, Dow fell 500 points, and I think all the technicals are being breaking. And yesterday, Friday, after the market closed, there is another 1 hour of trading for futures, and there Dow was plus 50 points. And today morning I saw it was minus 100, again plus 100, again plus 50. So in just a matter of few hours, and markets are going all over the places. And that's mainly Asian markets are also not able to decide any direction. The Asian markets opened much lower, but Japan market has recovered more than 500 points from intraday low. And today China is closed, and South Korea market is also closed, and Hong Kong market did not fall much. They're down but not out, we can say. SGX Nifty, as usual, it's very, very volatile. And because on Friday, because of domestic institutional buying, huge buying by DIS and RBI policy, and also because of short covering, the market went up and Nifty closed above 17,100. But today, SGX Nifty opened and below 16,009. So that is another 200 point plus gap down. But however, because the Japan market recovered and US future recovered slightly, and SGX Nifty is also recovering, but very, very slightly, not much. So it is trading around 17,940, 950. So not much of a recovery. Like we should be trading above 17,000 for the bulls to gain some kind of confidence. And if it is, I think it is once again breaking 17,000. And remember, on Friday morning, the panic low was 16,750. So I think that should not be broken. Otherwise, it's going to be a big problem. But on Friday, like huge short covering due to a domestic institutional buying, and Nifty went from 16,750 to all the way to 17,150, 200. So it was a big short covering. So if you are looking at a few data points, I think on Saturday, government came out with a GST collection, 1.47 lakh crore. That's a very, very decent one, and about 20-25% higher than last few months. So, there is no need to say that our economy is in a better shape. And crude oil prices have shot up because like the OPEC Plus, they are planning for a production cut. So, the entire global politics is because of crude and gas only. So, therefore, these kind of things is bound to happen here and there. And the bigger news, two news that's floating around over the weekend. One is the unscheduled Fed meeting, and Fed is meeting today. So, why they have to meet, and because US markets are falling, and Nasdaq has fallen 10% in last 1 month, and more than $3 trillion has been wiped out from the market. So markets are in I would say absolute panic mode. And can you imagine the bluest of blue chip stock is Apple, and that's the #1 company in the world, and that has fallen 8% in 2 days. Thursday it fell 5%, and Friday it fell another 3%. And if you take the Wednesday fall also into account, it's close to 10%. So bluest of blue chip stock, falling 9-10% in a matter of 3 trading session. I do not know whether this is the final capitulation period. So if this is the final capitulation period, the markets may be volatile, will try to stabilize and may start moving. As I told you, traditionally October month is a bullish month. So I just want to take some chance for today to see what Fed is planning to do it. So if tomorrow also markets are weak, and I will like to exit all my positions. I already exited most of my positions, but I do have some December options only. So that also I'm planning to exit. Why? There is only one fear. And people say Dow fell below 200-day weekly moving average. And if this has happened only 2 times in the last 25 years, one is Lehman Brothers collapse and second one is coronavirus. In both the time, markets recovered after seeing one lower circuit. Lehman Brothers collapse also, Nifty also went for one lower circuit and coronavirus also one lower circuit. But this time, though markets have fallen so much, market has not gone for a lower circuit. But who knows, that may happen. So that is why really it's fearful to carry the long positions. Another big news going around is a Credit Suisse. And people say Credit Suisse is in a very big problem and it's likely to go bankrupt. And although Credit Suisse people are saying, there's nothing very bad, but things are, the news floating around is not really very good. So somebody, just for fun, they tweeted, it is no longer is a Credit Suisse, it's a debit Suisse. So things are getting, Deutsche Bank and Credit Suisse both are getting into big trouble. And if you remember, the Credit Suisse share price was around $15 a year before. Now it is $3.9. So about 80% has already been wiped out. So news about Fed meeting, news about Credit Suisse, all these are enough to keep the markets and highly volatile. And so on Friday, though markets have recovered so much, and technically it is actually showing long, and it was really surprising when the whole world is bleeding, how our market can turn technically long. So I am not a strong believer of technical, though I look at the technical. So you would say I'm a techno fundamental guy. I both look at technical as well as fundamental. Since fundamental does not justify, so I'm not taking any fresh long position looking at this technical. But however, who knows, you may be surprised. And both Bank Nifty and Nifty is showing technically long. So we will see. So today we are likely to take support around 16,820. So if market is going below 16,900, definitely I may be looking to sell some put options, but I will sell put options, very, very, very far away, 16,000 and below. And I do not want to take a bigger chance at this point of time. And however, upside, if that is doubtful today, but about around 17,100, because on Friday I was in Dubai conference, so I could not take decision quickly. If today, if it goes to again 17,100, I might be offloading my entire portfolio. I'm talking about futures and options portfolio, not the cash market portfolio. So anyway, market is expected to trade between 16,820 and 17,080. So that's it for now. And still hangover. I just reached Chennai today early morning 3 a.m. So still feel sleepy. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.